That's good.
Thank you.
That's
Ay, ang ganda
from
ni- Ay, anak,
Baby
magugustuhan mo to,
Tally.
anak.
I think this is from Ninang Lyra.
From Ninang Lyra. Oh, from Ninang
Right.
Lyra. Oh, say thank you,
you
Ninang
see?
Lyra.
Say thank you.
Ninang
Ninang
Lyra.
Nakikita yung panty.
Hindi Laila, Lyra. Ninang Lyra. Good. Ay, dito.
Wow!
Ay, ang ganda. Ayan, maganda yan. Educational ata.
Crayons, but those are fake ones.
It's
Ano
educational for you to learn.
Educational book. Book ba to? Book ba to? Book? Yeah, I think so. Oh, book, yeah. Oh,
No,
parang
it's like a puzzle.
puzzle. Coloring
Yeah.
or coloring book.
It's like a puzzle. You like
Wow.
it?
Say
Say
thank you.
thank you.
Say thank you.
There's still more gifts.
You say thank you.
Thank you.
Can you sit down like
Alam niya
this?
kung ano yung kukunin.
Can you put your feet?
Ano to?
Okay.
Ano yung basura?
It's the giant.
That's from who?
Itikit ba natin to mga bal?
To Tally. Happy birthday from Tita Tessa.
That's a
Tita Tessa.
Tita Tessa. You say thank you.
thank you.
Kalat dito.
There's some Play-Doh, some candy.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Wow.
Take him out.
Some Play-Doh and some candy. Some candy, some
Oh.
Play-Doh.
Ay, ano to?
Tuwa
Ito
siya
yung
dyan.
puputok sa bibig. Ito ba yun?
I don't know.
Ito ata yun. Ay, hindi. Gummy. Yeah, gummy.
Play-Doh, yay!
Yay! Where's the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Oh, Play-Doh. Wow.
What?
Oh. Ako, gustong-gusto niya yan.
Oh, you want some? Oh, you are a baby too.
Okay, put it back muna. Balik mo muna. Balik mo muna. Tomorrow mo na paglaruan yung mga yan.
Stay with it
Lahat ng mga
tomorrow.
yan. Oh. Close it. Close. Close.
Oh. Parang may sumusuka na baby.
Sinishiki na naman. Kimuha ka na kanina yan. Nilinis ko na.
Put it
Okay
here.
na.
May laman.
Ano pa yun?
Yung mga candy.
Ibalik mo dun. Ay, mga candy. Sinishiki mo.
Ano, oh, put
It's a
it.
Play-Doh.
Okay,
there.
next one. Ang dami.
Next one,
Meron ko pa
sweetheart.
ano. Di mo pa ba ito? O, next one. Ano ba ito? This din to. Ay, hindi. Ito yung sa ano.
Oo.
Loot bag. Loot bag ata yan.
Nakikita yung ano.
No, no, no. Not that one. Oh, this one. Okay, ito. Ito.
Okay.
No, there's something. This one is a plane.
Oh, someone
yeah.
gave it to... May pangalan ba?
Wala, ano yan? Yung...
Hindi,
ano,
gift din to.
gift din ba yan? Walang
Oo,
name eh.
gift din to. Hindi lang nalagyan ng pangalan.
Wait,
It's a
there's a
flashcard.
candle.
Oh.
There's a
Ay, walang pangalan. Thank
Oh,
you.
say thank you.
Parang
Gift din
bag lang
yan.
ata
May
yun. Gift ba
nagbigay
yan?
kanina.
I
It's
don't
a
know.
little cute.
Baka nawala lang yung
Yung
card.
tita.
Here's
Ay,
a
yung card.
candle.
Oo.
Mom, look, I found the candle.
Baka ito, mahal.
Hindi. Alam ko yun. Yung nagbigay kanina.
Ah,
Oh,
ay,
yeah, your
kay
candle.
Tommy pala na to.
Oh.
Sige.
This one is from Tito Jerry and Tita
From Tito
Marlene.
Jerry and Tita Marlene.
Happy birthday, Tally.
Happy birthday, Tally.
Oh,
Oh, you say thank you to them.
I ruined it here.
You say thank you to
okay.
them first before you open it. Thank you ka muna. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
How to...
Open it na.
Baka maano siya sa staple. Let me help. Oh.
Open na.
Yay!
Whee!
Ito talaga laro.
Ay, ang ganda. Wow. What's that?
Yay.
Is it a bird?
No, it's not. It's a pony.
It's a pony.
Ooh, your
Oh, diba?
favorite?
Parang bird yan eh.
I
Pony ba?
think this is a baby pony. It's a mom pony.
Oh yeah, it's a pony.
Oh wow. Ay, excited siya. Yung
Salamat.
binaksan niya. Kasi ano yun.
Paborito niya yun eh.
Paborito niya.
Gusto niya ng mga baby pony.
Oh, wow.
It is. Wow! How did you got it.
May baby pa. Kaya natuwa.
Hello there.
Hello there. Okay, next one na tayo. Next one. Ay, hindi. Meron pa, anak. May laman pa, baby. May laman pa. May laman pa.
Doodle belly.
Tali, may laman pa.
It's so cute. And
Yeah.
squishy.
Unicorn nga. Pauti nga, mahal.
It's a
Pony.
pony.
Mas alam pa niya kaysa sa atin.
Pwede mong laban. Pwede mong sulatan.
Oh, pwede sulatan?
Oo, kasi
I wanna
doodle.
name it
Doodle
Where
belly.
the Babe.
Tapos pwedeng laban.
Oh, may ano pa. Meron pa siyang, what's that? Book?
Say
Is there a
thank
book
you,
or
anak.
stickers?
I
Ah,
think
stickers. Oh,
Thank you,
yeah.
say thank you,
Stickers.
it's a
sweetheart.
book with stickers.
Naku, mapupuno na
Say
naman
thank
tayo
you.
stickers niyan dito. Naku.
Thank you.
Did you
Say
like
thank
it?
you.
It's a baby pony. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, next one. Next one, mahal ko mo ngayon. Yun. Mahal ko mo
Wait
yun.
lang, gusto kong i-elevate yung ano, nakikita yung palm.
Ano lang?
It came from who? Happy birthday from Alexis.
Alexis!
Yay!
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh, naka-open na agad, oh.
Wow. Elsa.
Oh, wow!
And candy cane.
What's
Candy
that?
cane, sabi niya.
Oh, candy cane. Alam mo ano? Ano yung bata? Anong tawag dyan?
Barbies and candy cane.
Okay na. Okay.
Talugong yung pony. Ayaw niyang pangulan yung pony, mahal.
Sige na, sa
May
next
anak
na.
pa eh. Kaya tuwan-tuwa siya, oh.
Favorite. Magiging favorite
Mahilig
niya.
siya dyan eh.
Magiging favorite niya. Okay na, gusto mo ba elevate yan?
Here's a call.
Magaling mo.
Play down one. And this is the baby one. This is the baby one too.
Okay. Oh, next one.
Next
Okay.
one.
Open the next one.
I think
We got down to 2.
I want the one with the birthday party hat.
Okay, that's
Okay, that came from
That's from
where? Aliyah and
Aliyah.
Isaac.
And Isaac.
also.
Yeah. I think that came from Tita Rina's kids.
Okay, ano?
Rina.
I ripped it a little
Oh, okay.
bit. Dang, I ripped it.
It's
You
okay.
ripped it.
Because it's really like that with gifts.
Hindi natin na-vlog yun. Yung kay, galing
Na-vlog
kay
ko,
Ariel.
na-upload ko nga eh.
Na-vlog mo na ba yan?
Oo.
Oh, sige. Ito kay...
What's that?
This
Oh,
is-
it's your
ganda.
favorite.
Oh, yung favorite baby, oh.
Aww.
Pony. Oh,
You
say
like
thank
it?
you.
Say
Kanina
thank
ba?
you.
Nasabi mo na kung kanina ito
Oo.
galing.
I think these are your favorites.
Wow.
Favorite ponies.
Ang dami
I
mga...
think these are backpack for dolls.
Naku, hindi niya alam
Yeah.
kung anong lalaroin niya dyan. Bukas.
Backpack for dolls. Too
Or show
small.
it to the camera, sweetheart.
Yeah.
That
No,
one.
those are purse. Those are purse. Oh, purse.
Pwede nga daw maging backpack ng
Oh.
Yeah,
dolls.
purse. Oh, yeah, purse.
Next.
Thank you. Last one.
Last
I think
one.
that's the last one, right?
Bukas mo na paglaruan yung mga yan, ha?
It's from... Can you check? Nalulungkot
Okay.
siya pag nasisira niya yung paper bag.
From Jasper.
Jasper.
And...
And
But that's
Rayster.
Rayster.
It's from
From
Rayster.
Jasper and Rayster. Oh, you say thank
Jasper and
you.
Rayster.
Thank you. You say
The
thank you.
birthday boys too.
Yeah,
The
birthday.
birthday.
Oh, yeah, birthday boy din pala. Rayster. Oh,
Wait.
you say happy birthday, Rayster.
Happy birthday, Rayster.
Okay.
Hey, get out.
Ayaw niya nasisira yung paper bag. Umiiyak siya pag nasisira niya. Kaso gano'n naman talaga anak eh.
Dapat daw sinisira yung gift.
Wow!
Ay, ang
You
ganda. Ay,
got a
ito
beautiful
bagay.
beanie!
Wow, ito bagay for winter. Yeah.
It's your winter clothes. Aww.
Ay, maganda to.
Say thank you, anak.
Yeah,
Oh,
panlabas.
dagdag yan sa pang-alis mo. Oh.
Pang-alis mo yan. Tsaka ito,
So
bini. Oh.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Say
thank you.
Thank you to all
Thank
that
you.
that
Thank you,
That gave you
everyone.
gifts.
Thank you, everyone.
For the
you look at
gifts.
them when you say thank you, babe.
Hey, you look at the
Say
camera.
thank you, anak.
Thank you.
Oh, guys.
Say thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
everyone.
will open it.
Ah. Ayan na siya, maglalaro na siya. Did you like what we bought?
Ito na yung magulo, mahal, oh.
Did you like what we bought? Hmm?
Oh, yun o. Ang gusto mo.
Mahal, ayun yung binili ko sa kanya. Makeup.
Hmm.
Non-toxic.
Bukas yan na paglaro niya mga yan. Anak ko, ang dami. Hindi niya alam kung anong uunahin.
Can I try?
Yeah, it's for kids.
Hindi ba yan, ano? Hindi ba yan
It's washable.
washable?
Ay, marunong mag-makeup.
Alam niya kung para saan yun? Para sa ano
Para
talaga
sa
yan dyan?
mga tao.
May nagbubukas din ng regalo sa likod. Oh.
See how beautiful you are? Aww.
Para na siya naka-makeup oh. Dito pa lang nilagay niya. Tingnan mo, ganda niya. Ang kulit mo na. Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Gusto mo make-upan kita? Ha? Milo?
No.
Shiki.
Inaamoy siya ni Shaky. Don't be snotty. Just missed you.
Just missed you.
That's a lipstick and this is a nail polish.
Some more lipstick. It's red lipstick.
Mm-hmm. It's kids makeup.
Nagugutom ako na.
I want this.
Hindi ako nakikita sa picture. Sa group picture, ayun may isa akong kita.